guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing really good, and welcome to the video of day 0 of 7 days to data science course. And those who are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe this channel, and remember we have started a 7 days to data science for the Python course for the absolute beginners. You will find the playlist in my channel. You just have to go to the playlist section. There you will find the playlist of the Python course. Just click on it, and here you will get all the videos of the 7 days of the data science course. So let's move to the day 0. Welcome to the day 0 of this 7 days Python course. And if you're watching this, it means that you have already decided to start or end. That's a good decision. So today is not about coding, okay? So today is about preparing yourself so that the day 1 feels clear, calm, and structured. So let me be, very clear from the beginning. Day 0 is not a coding session, and you won't write, Python today. So, and that is intentional, okay? So day 0 exists, to make sure you start correctly instead of rushing and getting confused later. So this video is gonna be really important for your 7 days of Python journey to run smoothly. And in my experience, students who prepare properly before starting the programming understand faster, feel less overwhelmed, and actually finish the code. So this one short session can save you from the hours of confusion later. For this entire course now, we will be using one single tool, that is the Google Colab. Because the Google Colab requires no installation, no setup issues, and hence there is no software confusion. So if you can open a browser, sign in with a Google account, you are ready. So this keeps our focus where it should be, on learning. So let me tell you what you have to do to sign into the Google course. So you just have to you go to the drive of your email. I'm hoping that everyone knows how to locate the drive. If anyone doesn't know, just sign into your Chrome. Click on these dots and you will find the drive icon. Click on that and you will end up in a drive. And I will suggest you to make a separate folder for the 7 days of Python course, so that your files will be aligned and you can refer to your codes or the files later if you want. So on clicking on this, you just have to right click on the surface, click on more, and you will get the Google Collaboratory option here. I know some of you might not have got this option here. For that, you just have to click on connect more apps. On the search bar, type Colab. Okay, your collaboratory, click on this collaboratory. You will be shown an install option here. You just have to click on this install option and install the Google Collaboratory, and you will find that that option there. So you again just have to right click on this, click on more, and click on the Google Collaboratory. This will create a separate Google Colab file for you, and I would suggest for each day create a separate Google Colab file so that it is segregated and you can refer it later. Okay, so it will take some time. Give the time it takes. And okay, so you have finally landed on your Google Collaboratory. You can also change the name of your file. Just change the name of your file here, and I'm writing day 0 because this is day 0, and hit enter, and your file name will be renamed as day 0. Okay, so let's run some commands so that you are get more excited about writing your Python code. So let's write your first Python code. So we will be printing hello world first. So for that, you just have to write print parenthesis open double quotes and write hello world. In this way, you will be able to print the hello world. And for running this, you have two options. Either click on this play button or hit the shift enter. This cell will run. And this Google Colab is like the Jupyter notebooks. If any of you have run or are familiar with the Jupyter notebook, it's the same, but the advantage of this is that you don't have to create an environment or install or any setup issues. So I like this using more for the Python. So you can also write text in your file, like we will be using this in our EDA or the exploratory data analysis to write about the insights we have got from the data. For that, you will be clicking on text. On clicking on text, you will see a box here. Write anything like you want to print, and I'm writing the day 0 of the Python course, and just hit the shift enter, and this line of yours will be printed as a text in your file. So if you like writing any code and you want to explain that code, you can write this in this similar way and your code will be explained. And if you want to make it a heading, just enter a hash in front of this line and this will be printed as an heading. Like the fonts are bigger and bold. So what if you want to write the hello world 5 times? You will, I think, not be writing the hello world like 5 times, typing each time. Instead, we can just simply write multiply and 5 and your hello world will be printed 5 times. See how how easy it is to print certain things a number of times. You can print this n number of times. So this is how the Python looks. It was just to give an idea or the zest of what you are going to learn in the 7 days course so that you are excited. So your assignment for today is just make a Google Colab file in your drive and try to print something and also play with the code, like print the hello world or the heading. So I think you were excited for the course now. So, one very important instruction before we begin, that do not watch this course like a movie, okay? You should pause the video, type the code yourself, and run it and observe the output. Programming is learned by doing and not by watching. You are not here to memorize Python syntax. You are here to understand how instruction flows, how data is stored, and how logic works step by step. So, confusion at the beginning is normal, but the clarity comes from the practice, right? Here's what I recommend next, that watch the course overview video in this playlist. I think okay. And that video explains the structure of the 7 days and what you will build at the end. After that, come back for the day one where actually the Python coding begins. So on day one, you will write real Python code. Simple, readable and beginner friendly code. You will see output on the screen and understand exactly why it appears. Okay, no pressure, just clarify. So before starting this course, I want you to make a commitment to yourself that you will complete this 7 days Python course fully and you will be shining like a data scientist who knows how to code in Python after day 7 with a project. So I want you all to just make a commitment to you, because you know commitment and the consistency is the key, and make sure you are consistent to the course and attend every video very nicely, coding it bit by bit. So hope to see you in the video of the day one of the Python with the data science course, and hope you are all excited to learn as I am excited for you all to teach. So I will be seeing you all in my day one video. Till then, bye bye. And yeah, don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel, and also to hype my video just to keep me motivated in case. Hope to see you all in the next video. Till then, bye bye.